Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you to take a screenshot on the Samsung A13. Now of course the A13 as seen here, and this should work across any Samsung device, A13 or others. Now to take a quick snap of the screen, whatever screen it is, you're going to press power and volume down in one motion, both of them one time. Alright, so let's say for example I could go into any menu or any screen including social media. And if I want to snap a photo of the screen, I'm going to use this secondary screen here with my apps. And I'm going to press both at the same time, quickly, just for a few seconds and let go. Alright, so you saw that the screen will go click. And of course, the screenshot has been taken. You need to press firmly. In terms of both buttons need to be pressed for it to register. Alright, so make sure you're actually pressing the buttons, especially with some of these cases. Alright, you can go now to your gallery and you'll find the screenshot. All right, so before I do that, let me take another screenshot. Here we go. We're going to snap a secondary screenshot of this menu. All right, so we took a secondary screenshot of that menu. All right, now we're going to go to gallery. At the top of your gallery, you should see the screenshots. So here you go. These are the screenshots, and they're at the top of the gallery for today. All right, so that's how you do a screenshot. Alright, so the screenshot is taken and that's how you do it on the A13. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.